Hello, this is Mirka Norman for H2O or How to Orthosis. In this next video, I will demonstrate how to fabricate a hand-based thumb spica. This is a very common model which has been created by Orfit, and I will be using Orphi-Lite material provided by Performance Help. Okay, give me your hand. Make sure that there is no water left in the plastic. This one goes in the hand here and around. We pinch the fabric together. Okay. And the scissors is going to seal the seam. Okay. I'm going to take care of my palmar crease. Once the plastic is hardened, I will make sure that I free the finger crease and also free the distal interphalangeal joint. So this brace will immobilize the carpometacarpal joint, also known as the basal joint, as well as the phalangeal, metacarpophalangeal joint over here, and we'll keep the interphalangeal joint free. Okay. And we'll trim following the marks that I left. Now I will reinforce this seam using a piece of scrap material, just one thickness. So I will cover this area. It's also important to soften the edges for comfort, so we'll just soften the edge. My reinforcement's ready, so I'm going to place it over the seam. Taking care of pressing it in nicely to help the bonding of the two plastic. And I would also use the heat gun over this to reinforce that bond. Okay, I'll cut the excess. Make sure the edge is soft. Now I'm going to make sure that I'm freeing the interphalangeal joint. I don't want to leave too much fabric to be rolled over, so I'm going to cut a little bit off. Okay, and I can soften the end of the thumb. Okay, and then simply curl it on itself. Also making sure to press it well in. That will reinforce the thumb section as well as making this edge comfortable. Try it on. Okay, nice. We are free at the IP joint. We are immobilized at the MP joint and at the CMC joint. And now all I have left to do is place a strap between the two area here. And the nice thing is I left my distal palmar crease free, so the fingers are completely free to move. So this will actually be a good immobilization orthosis for painful arthritic, painful basal thumb joints. Now for the strapping of our hand-based thumb orthosis. So we have two little squares of Velcro hooks, self-adhesive, which I pre-cut the corners of because that makes them a little bit more stable. They are not as likely to peel off. So for best adhesion, we should preheat the glue with a heat gun, but for the sake of this demonstration, I will not. But we preheat and then put down one over here and one more on the opposite side. And then I'm using this strap called R-Securable, graciously provided by Performance Health, so thank you. So this is the 1 inch. I really like this strap. It's this Velcro loop on one side and more of a mesh on the opposite side, so it makes it a lot more durable. So one here, and we complete the brace. And I always like to cut my corners for aesthetics purposes. And voila, nice and secure.